Hi, I'm Sandy and I'm going to show you how to turn a toilet paper tube into a bracelet or cuff. So first of all, you need toilet paper tubes and things to decorate with. So you could use markers or crayons if you have any painter's tape or colored masking tape, washi tape, pretty ribbon laying around the house, stick-on jewels or sequins, anything that you have around the house that you want to decorate it with. So you'll need also some scissors and possibly some glue. So I found it easier to take my toilet paper tube like this before it's cut and decorate it before I do anything else to it. So I'm going to take some tape, for instance, and I'm going to wrap it around my tube. So I get enough to go around. I'm going to cut it off, and half of it's covered, but I think I'm going to put some more on it. So I'm going to wrap some more around. It goes all the way around. And there's a small gap in the middle, so I think I'll put some washi tape on it. So take a piece like this and wrap it around the middle. And when I have a long enough piece, I'm going to cut it off, and I've wrapped my toilet paper tube. There it is. And then I'll take my scissors and I'm going to cut down the length of the tube like so. And then I have a cuff. Looks like this. Or if I feel like that's too big, I took this toilet paper tube, I colored it with markers and washi tape, and then I took my tube and I cut it in half with my scissors, like this. And now you have smaller cuffs or bracelets that look like this. Alright, and that is all you need to decorate your toilet paper tubes and turn them into a bracelet. Happy crafting!